Sunday morning, about 4 a.m. at Mike's house, all packed up, ready for our Lake Fontana Fourney Creek adventure. Arrived at the Fourney Creek Fontana Lake boat ramp, unloading, getting ready to head out. Okay, so this is where we started about an hour ago, and we canoed about 30 minutes out that way, and now we're 30 minutes back this way because we're at the wrong boat launch. We're many miles away from where we got to be, so now we got to regroup and try again. All right, we're at the correct boat launch now after a little bit of directional issues. Getting ready to launch for Fourney Creek, take 2. All right, Fourney Creek sign. We're headed in the right direction finally after a long, grueling excursion. We made it. Start of Fourney Creek. And the adventure finally begins.